Today, we're diving deep into the Sony Xperia 185G, the 2026 edition, and trust me, this phone ain't just talk. It's packing some serious heat, especially that insane 148MP camera, a battery that won't quit at 5000 mAh, and a design that's basically a work of art. Let's break it all down, starting with the looks. Sony's always been about that sleek, minimalist style. None of that flashy nonsense. The Xperia 1.8 keeps that classic vibe with sharp edges, a tall 21:9 cinematic display that's perfect for binge-watching your fave shows and gaming like a pro. It's slim. It's premium, and it feels like it's built to last, no plastic. Junk here? Plus, the glass back and aluminum frame just scream classic Sony elegance. A design philosophy that's been tight for years and still slaps in 2026. Now, the crown jewel, the 148-megapixel camera. Yeah, you heard me right. 148MP. Sony's pushing boundaries here, giving you insane detail, vibrant colors, and next-level clarity. It's like having a pro DSLR in your pocket. Whether you're snapping daylight shots or low-light magic, this sensor is designed to impress even the harshest critics. Sony's proprietary tech ensures ultra-fast autofocus and enhanced image processing, so your pics come out crisp and ready to flex on the gram every single time. Next up, battery life. And this one's a game changer. A 5000 mAh battery means you're cruising through your day without sweating about juice. Sony's optimized power management means you get longer screen time, better standby, and faster charging support. Say goodbye to those low battery anxiety moments. To keep it real, Sony's blend of design, power, and camera tech is a throwback to the AUG Xperia legacy. Classic, reliable, and forward-thinking. This phone doesn't chase trends. It sets them, staying true to Sony's tradition while gearing up for the future. So, if you're looking for a flagship phone in 2026 that respects the past but flexes with future tech, the Sony Xperia 1.85G with that 148MP camera and 5000 mAh battery just might be your next obsession. Drop your thoughts below. Are you Team Xperia or something else? Smash that like button if you vibe with this classic meets modern beauty. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech drops. Catch you in the next one. Peace.